Happy holidays! You are watching Event Update on AAU TV, the voice of higher education in Africa. Event Update is the #1 one-stop show that brings you information about upcoming higher education events happening in Africa. I am Isabella Tetahinakwa. Please stay tuned, we'll be right back. Welcome back. The School of Continuing and Distance Education under the University of Ghana is inviting you to the 71st Annual Year School and Conference plus exhibition by indigenous Ghanaian businesses and youth forum scheduled for Monday 13th to Thursday 16th January 2020. Theme: Attaining Ghana Beyond Aid, Prospects and Challenges. Venue: Bank of Ghana Auditorium at the University of Ghana. This conference will serve as a platform bringing together ministers of state, captains of industry, various union leaders and participants from all walks of life to deliberate on issues of national interest and make recommendations that will shape policy. For more details, kindly call Mr. Jack Andrews Doche on +233 208 119097 or +233 244 377918. The Association of African Universities is inviting you to the AAU Management Development Workshop, MADEV. Theme: Strategic Thinking and Change Management, Key for African Universities. Date: 18th to 21st February 2020. Venue: Mauritius. This workshop will look at the concept of strategic thinking and management and their application in the context of universities and other tertiary institutions in planning, decision-making, control, and operations. Expected participants include senior university leaders and managers, registrars, deans and directors of institutes, heads of departments, administrators, human resource management, and finance managers. For more information, please visit the Association of African University website on www.aau.org. The Association of Commonwealth Universities, in collaboration with the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, is inviting you to the Developing the Next Generation of Researchers workshop. Date: 16th to 20th March 2020. Venue: The Big House, Kumasi in Ghana. This workshop will provide an opportunity for senior academic staff and emerging researchers to explore innovative approaches to professional development and collaboration. In addition, the Association of Commonwealth Universities will be launching the Circle Institutional Strengthening Implementation Fund for members universities to apply for financial support to deliver activities to improve support for early career researchers. Please email nextgen@acu.ac.uk for more information. The West and Central African Research and Education Network, WACREN, is organizing its 6th annual conference hosted by the Benin Research and Education Network on the theme Digital Transformation for Development. Date: 19th to 20th March 2020. Venue: Cotonou, Benin. This conference is a call for papers, and interested authors are to submit their abstracts on these related subjects: new technologies, innovative and fourth industrial revolution, e-learning, lifelong learning and education strategy, open science and open access, as well as ethics and governance. Kindly submit all documents online at WACREN 2020 call for papers. For more details, contact WACREN at cfp2020@wacren.net. That is all for this episode. Event Update is brought to you by the Association of African Universities. Please subscribe to our social media handles at AAU_TV on Twitter and Association of African Universities on Facebook and YouTube. I am Isabella Tetahinakwa. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, until we come your way next week. Bye.